1, 2, 3.
Hi, welcome to FreshFinds, where we help you find great products for your brand.
I'm Frankie.
And I'm Jake. What do we have today?
So the first item we're looking at today is our Fun Tote. This tote is really versatile. It comes in a lot of different imprinting options. So I've got the screen printed version here right now, but we also offer this in embroidery and we have it in full color. This product is also offered on our 24-hour rush service as a screen print. This item can be printed on the front pocket here, and it can also be printed on the back. So there's a lot of options. Again, super versatile item. It comes in 8 different colors. So there will definitely be an option that's available to go with your brand. It's gonna be a great all-around item for giveaways, trade shows, maybe you participate in farmers markets as an organization or even back to school, because it has this nice little mesh pocket too and a zipper on top. So super handy.
Love it. And I love this little key ring because if there's one thing that I hate, it is losing any of my things. So water bottle, keys, I'm good to go. It's perfect.
Yeah, totally agree. Can't really find a better tote.
Can't find a better tote this fun.
Oh. All right, Jake, what's next?
So next we have the Mood Stadium Cup. This comes in either a 12 ounce, 17 ounce, or a 22 ounce size. The really cool thing about these cups is that they are made of a really durable plastic and they color change with cold, icy water. So if you have a sporting event, if you have anything outside, company event in general, it's just a really cool function that kind of spices it up from a normal cup. So this one comes with a 1-color imprint. It can either be done in a wrap or front and back, so you have some options there. We offer it in 3 days. Otherwise, if you have a little bit of a time crunch, 24-hour option is available for all 3 sizes. We also offer lids with straws on it as well.
I'm thinking like, yeah, company picnic, any event with children, even like a pub crawl. How fun is that? If you're out in the summer and you've got your ice cold drinks and your cups change colors, like there's so many fun options for something like this. So definitely something you'll want to check out.
Speaking about cool swag, we do have a really nice feature on our website called Swagging Rights.
So you can go to your past orders, look at your order history, and there should be a button that says Swagging Rights right on it. That'll give you the opportunity to upload photos of yourself or your organization using products you've bought from us with your own logo on them in real time. That should give other people an idea of what you're doing and give you the opportunity to brag a little bit about the things you're doing for your organization and your community. Our last product today is going to be the Gering Fanny Pack Tech Kit. So this is always going to be the gray fanny pack, and you can do your full color logo on the front here. But the thing that we can sort of customize a little bit more than that even is the color of the tech kit inside. So how many colors does this come with, Jake?
Comes in 6 different color options. It's really nice because it has a USB-C and a USB-A charging cable. So no matter what your phone type is, electronic device, it really has you covered, which I think people really appreciate, right? We all have different phones. Besides for the charging cable, it has a really nice adapter that you can use with a USB-C, USB-A, so also have you covered there, and just a really handy microfiber cleaning cloth.
Yeah, the adapter alone is honestly enough for me to want this item. I love these, and they're just nice to throw in your bag and always have with you. I'm kind of thinking like a retreat or a show or event that people have had to travel to get to. This would be probably the #1 giveaway that everyone would want, because people forget these things when they travel, right? And they don't lug all that extra stuff with them. So being able to provide them something like this, something simple and compact.
This is a great option. It's ready for you in 5 business days.
Nice.
So not too bad, still pretty speedy. The nice thing about the adjustable strapped pouch that it comes with is it has 2 holders on the inside, so the cord and the charger can fit neatly right in there, and you still have a lot of space for any other belongings.
Yeah.
Phone, wallet, keys, sunglasses even. Has a really nice size to it, so I feel like it pretty much has you covered.
Yeah, super handy. That's 3 more great products for you.
Tune in next time for more Fresh Finds.